Dear pensioners and senior citizen and super senior citizens. So this scheme is for the senior citizens, pensioners and others. So the this scheme is Pradhan Mantri Vaya Bandhana Yojana, and you can see here right now on the screens salient features only for married couples, means senior citizen who are married, and pension will be maximum rupees 18,500 per month, and plan is exclusively for senior citizens. So उससे पहले guys please subscribe to my channel for latest banking updates and pension updates and other related schemes. So this scheme was started by central government on 26th May 2020, और इस स्कीम की जो अवधि है वो 31st March 2023 को खत्म हो रही है. So that is why I'm making this video. So here you can see couples can invest till 31st March 2023 to take the full advantage of this scheme. And basically what is Vaya Bandhana Yojana? So here this is a social security scheme under which customers get monthly pension, and the scheme is developed by central government, and this scheme is only operated by LIC. So that is why you can here see the symbol of LIC. So ये scheme है सिर्फ LIC में है, available है. And if both husband and wife are over 60 age, they can invest a maximum of rupees 15 lakh. अगर दोनों husband and wife 60 से ऊपर के एज के हैं, so if husband and wife both want to take advantage of scheme, they can invest maximum up to 30 lakh. So they can only invest up to 30 lakh. That is at the rate of 7.40%. This is the rate of interest for this financial year. So please subscribe to my channel. And after that you can see calculations. अगर हम calculations करें at rupees 30,000 at rupees 30 lakh, so annual interest is 2,22,000, and per month it is 18,500. So here you can see the pension amount is 18,500. So basically this scheme is up to 31st March 2022. As I said earlier, scheme is just up to. So guys please इस स्कीम को ट्यून कर लो if you want to take the benefit of this scheme. And once invested money will be invested for maximum 10 years. So आपको अगले 10 साल के लिए पेंशन इतनी आती रहेगी. जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है वो चेंज हर फाइनेंशियल ईयर में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिसाइड करती है, बट यू कैन सरेंडर एनी टाइम. आप इस पॉलिसी को, इस स्कीम को कभी भी सरेंडर कर सकते हैं, और मैक्सिमम अगर आपने स्कीम में ट्यून कर लिया तो दैट विल बी जस्ट फॉर 10 years. And after that please subscribe us and stay tuned. Daily Bank, that's all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.